Embattled chairman of the Police Officers Association, Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron, has been granted permission by the Supreme Court to challenge Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake's order that he be removed as chairman of the POA. The court has also blocked the implementation of the commissioner's directives until the dispute is resolved. Nakinski Robinson has the details.
Justice Anne-Marie Nemhard handed down her 46-page judgment today on Cameron's applications for permission to seek a judicial review and for an injunction restraining the police commissioner. Judicial review allows the courts to assess the legality and fairness of decisions of public authorities. The conflict erupted on September 8, 2025, when Commissioner Blake directed that the POA chairmanship be vacated. In his sworn affidavit, he cited glaring contradictions and irregularities in the association's unaudited accounts and a failure to hold an annual general meeting since 2022. Dr. Blake argued the move was a managerial necessity to safeguard the funds contributed by over 350 senior officers and was not done out of spite. However, Cameron's legal team argued that the commissioner exceeded his legal authority by interfering in the internal governance of an incorporated body. SSP Cameron further alleged the move was an act of political victimization and retaliation for a grievance he had previously filed with the Office of the Services Commissions regarding his promotion and transfer. Justice Nemhard ruled that SSP Cameron had met the low threshold required for judicial review. She also found that there are arguable grounds for judicial review with a realistic prospect of success. SSP Cameron has been given 14 days to file a formal claim for judicial review, which will determine whether the Commissioner's directives should be permanently quashed. Cameron was represented by Lee Marneal, while the Commissioner of Police was represented by King's Counsel Peter Champagny and attorneys Nico Pagan and Saeed Bernard. The applications were filed on September 8 and heard on December 8 and 11. Justice Anne-Marie Nemhard handed down her 46-page judgment today on Cameron's applications for permission to